How to download a song from SoundCloud. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up your web browser and here go to soundcloud.com. Make sure that you have signed into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one using your Gmail as well. Once you have done that, now you want to search for the song that you want to download. So simply open up that song. Now click on these three dots and over here you should find a download option. If you don't find that download option, it means that the artist has not made the song available for download. In that case, you can use any third-party application to download this song. So for that, you can copy the link from here as well. So this is the case when the artist has not made the song available. However, if the song is available to be downloaded, then click on these three dots again and you should find a download file option. Simply click on this. Once you do, the file is going to be downloaded and saved to your device. Here you can see it is being downloaded now. And that's how you can download a song from SoundCloud. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.